Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check that your PC's GPU and USB-C port support display Port Alt mode or Thunderbolt 3/4 and update GPU drivers. Next, pick the correct cable, a certified Thunderbolt 3/4 cable for full feature parity, or a USB-C to DisplayPort adapter if the port supports DP Alt mode. Once done, power on the studio display and the PC. Make sure the monitor firmware is current and disable sleep on the PC briefly while you configure. With the physical link established, go to Windows Display Settings and identify the studio display. Arrange and scale it appropriately. If you have a Thunderbolt connection, enable full bandwidth in the device manager or BIOS if necessary, then set color depth and HDR in GPU control panels to get correct colors. Once done, enable features like True Tone or camera access through the display's onboard settings and confirm Windows privacy permissions so the built-in camera and mic work. Finish by testing everything. Play video to confirm audio routed to the display, run a color calibration target to check accuracy, and open the camera to confirm video and mic. If the screen stays blank, unplug power and cable, then reconnect and reboot the PC. Try a different USB-C or DisplayPort adapter or a powered Thunderbolt dock. If problems persist, update Thunderbolt/USB drivers and firmware. Enable alternate mode or Thunderbolt authorization in BIOS, and reauthorize the device in Windows to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.